Ever hosted a workshop before, but you couldn't even find your own Zoom link? Or scrambled to remember where your sales page URL or what you should put for your order bump copy? Me too. Until I built this. It's called the home base document, and it's the one Google Doc I use to keep my entire promotion organized. Maybe you're a bit like me and you host workshops or boot camps or challenges or coaching weeks or something like that to fill up your back end products or services. But there's a problem with that because there's so many moving parts, right? There's 11 URLs, a URL for your sales page, maybe a fast acting sales page, a URL if somebody just wants to buy your order bump if they forgot to buy it when they checked out, or what about your upgrade, or what about where your community is hosted, or where's that URL for the welcome post in your school group, right? There's all these different URLs and pieces of copy and product descriptions. And I was pulling my hair out trying to stay organized. And that's when I came up with this, a simple Google Doc with a bunch of functional tabs that keep everything organized. This system reduced confusion, saved me hours of hunting for URLs, and it made handoffs on repeat launches way easier. Most creators I know, they have 10 or 20 tabs open in their browser, and they've got all their URLs and groups and sales pages and order bumps and upsells and email sequences, all that stuff pulled up. And when it's time to promote, they lose the most important stuff or they get overwhelmed. And that leads to hesitancy when it comes to promoting your thing. It also leads to a lot of customer support tickets because people can't find stuff and the whole thing's a disaster. So this process I use is going to sound really simple. And maybe you're really skeptical and saying this better be good. Once you see the system I built, you're going to maybe cross your arms and say that there's no way that works. It's too simple. But that's the magic of it. This is the first thing I do every time I have a new promotion. I open up a new folder in my Google Drive. I title it the name of the promo, and then I make this document that I call the home base. I want to show you how it works by using an example of one of the recent boot camps I hosted. Now, here's one of mine. It's fully built out. This was a bit chaotic before I knew I would film a YouTube video for you, so you can get the same system. And I've got a template in the description below if you want to click the link to grab it. You can get my template. It's much cleaner than this. But this is how I do it. Now, this promotion was for a paid challenge that I called the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp. It was a 3-part workshop series that I hosted recently. And there were a couple of things. The first thing you'll see on here is there was a link to my sales page, a link to my order bump if somebody just wanted to buy the order bump, and then a link to the VIP upgrade if somebody forgot to upgrade when they purchased the workshop and wanted to upgrade later. Those are the sales page URLs. The next thing were other URLs. Like there was a group, a school group where this workshop was taking place. There was a post-purchase survey that I wanted people to fill out. I used a form called Fill Out, and I made a custom GPT that was included whenever you bought your standard ticket. So that was a link there. I also made a graphic template they were going to use as part of the workshop, and that's what that linked to is the Canva document. And then people could be in the general session for $20 or upgrade to VIP for $97. And each one of those had a Zoom link. I use an app called Add Event where they can subscribe because it was a 3-part workshop series. I didn't want them to lose the calendar appointment. So the Add Event was a way they could subscribe to the calendar for the normal sessions. And there was a separate Zoom link and a separate Add Event for people that were in the VIP session. Now, as you can see right there, maybe this is giving you a sense of anxiety and you're thinking, I have all those links. I have all these sales pages and order bumps and upsells and school groups and surveys and GPTs and bonuses, all these things, and I never know where to keep it. I told you, this is a really simple process that I use that have details about what the promotion is and how it works. The next thing I keep track of inside of my home base is tags. I use ConvertKit, but this applies for any email system you use. I want to keep track of my different tags, which would drive my different segments of my promotion. So first, I wanted to track people who were clicking on the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp. So clicked dash name of promotion. And then who bought it? So who purchased the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp? They were just a general session. What about people that purchased Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp who were VIPs? Because they would get different emails with different links for this ad event and for this Zoom link. And then what about people who purchased the GPT, which was my order bump? Now this creates some interesting, fun segments for retargeting. For example, I could send an email the day before my promotion goes live and find the people who clicked on the registration link, but they don't have this purchased tag on their contact record, and say, hey, you were checking out the promotion. It starts tomorrow. Love to have you join me. Click here to get a last minute ticket. Or I could send an email to people who had this tag. They purchased the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp, but they weren't VIPs, right? That's another segment of people. I could say, hey, you're in. Would love to have you join us on the VIP call later today. Click this link to upgrade. And if you're thinking, well, what link? How do you keep track of your links? It's right up here. they could click this link, which is the sales page, to go upgrade to VIP. Does that make sense? Or if I wanted to make some last minute sales, I could send an email to everybody who has this tag, who all purchased the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp, but who did not have the purchase tag of the order bump, and say, hey, the order bump is now available. You can just click here to go buy it and add it to your order. Now that we're going through the content, you may want to add this to your library so you can get a better experience from the bootcamp. So the two things I want you to take away from this: number one, all the URLs, and number two, all the tags. What else is in here? Now, in my specific document, I want to help you think about additional tabs that you could use if it's important to you. So for this one, I created an offer diagnostic tool with the help of ChatGPT. Since I was helping people upgrade their offer, I wanted to make a survey they could take that would give them a score, and that would determine how strong their offer is and how to improve it. And they could click the link on the thank you page to purchase my Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp. So it's kind of a lead magnet. It was also a tool I used when people signed up. I thought it was really helpful, but I wasn't quite feeling creative this day. And so I did a lot of the brainstorming with ChatGPT, and it helped me think of the questions that I could ask, and then the point structure that went along with those questions. And then even gave me some outcomes to put this on the completion page whenever people completed the survey. So instead of having a different Google document, this is my one document. It's my home base for my Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp. So if you decide to add any kind of quiz or diagnostic, then make a separate tab and capture that here. The next thing I kept was the content outline. I was brainstorming with ChatGPT. Here's what I'm trying to do. Here's the outcome I'm trying to create. Help me think through what would be the most effective way to structure this 3-part workshop series. So brainstorm back and forth. And this gave me a really great outline that I could use as I was creating my slides, as I was creating my posts in the group, or even as I wanted ChatGPT to remember what I was doing and remember what the workshop was about. This was a really useful way to keep track of that. I also wanted to think through what would some fast acting bonuses be for people. So this was where I was just brainstorming different offers. So you can have a tab of this. It says you're brainstorming, especially with the rise of AI and custom GPTs and things like that. There's a lot of brainstorming that goes on when I'm hosting a workshop. So I was really building this out. I was also thinking of order bumps and upsells and bonuses and things to add to the workshop to make it even more effective. And here's what we came up with: the Fast Sales Toolkit. And I had ChatGPT outline what that would be, and I captured that in a tab as well. So in summary, for this part of the home base that I'm tracking here, I'm keeping track of my surveys, my bonuses, my fast acting bonuses, how I'm going to outline the content. And I even wrote the sales pages. Maybe you're a bit like me. So I use a custom GPT that I created to help write my sales pages. But I had what I would call a level 1 sales page, just kind of a basic sales page. And I went back into chat and said, hey, that's a pretty good first attempt, but let's call that a level 1 attempt at a persuasive sales page. Show me what a level 3 sales page would look like. And it gave me what I thought was a much better sales page, but I wanted to still capture some of the phrasing and the notes. So I just created little sub tabs here for me to write my sales page copy. What about the one-click upsell? I used Samcart and wanted people to upgrade to VIP. So I used this tab here to write all the sales copy for my one-click upsell page, which it was really quick to configure in Samcart when I was ready to promote my workshop. What about emails? What about whenever somebody buys a general admission ticket, or when somebody buys a VIP ticket? What do I want those emails to say? I don't know about you, but sometimes I get so overwhelmed with the promotion, and I'm watching the clock, and I want to go live tomorrow, and got all this stuff to do. And yes, I know how to write a thank you page, upsell page. Yes, I know how to write a confirmation email that goes out after they purchase. But sometimes my brain's kind of fried, and I'm like, can you just do that real quick? This type of structure and this type of outline saves me so much time and brain power that helps me do these monthly workshops I talk about a lot on this channel. I'm able to get into a promotion rhythm of 1 or 2 per month because of a system like this. The last thing I wanted to point out is if you decide to run any kind of ads, yes, get some ad copy going. I was having a lot of fun creating images. And one thing I've found useful is coming up with AI images. It's easier than ever to create. And I don't like typing out the prompts. So I'll get a vision in my mind of like something I'm thinking of. It's kind of a funny idea, but I wanted it to help me think of the image itself. So I used a ChatGPT to help me brainstorm image prompts that I could then drop into Ideogram or ChatGPT to make the images. And I thought it was really cool. So this was all of the image prompts that it gave me. based on different hooks and things like that. I'll give you one more example of a home base I used on the workshop I hosted before the Upgrade My Offer Bootcamp. It was called the Growth Engine Workshop. Similar structure. As you can see, I'm kind of winging it because I've done this like 30 or 40 times. And every time I open this up, I might go a little bit different direction. And again, I've got a template for you that's really clean, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description. So this was a 1-session workshop. So there's the link to the Zoom room, link to add event. There was a $27 sales page for people who signed up quickly. There was a $37 sales page for everybody else. And then there was a post-purchase thank you survey that went out. And again, there's these funny moments of running an online business where I panic. I get writer's block. And so sometimes when you make a product in Samcart, it'll say like, cool, what's this product? I'm like, it's I don't know what to say, right? So I just want a 1-sentence summary of what the workshop is. And so I would have that here because it also wants like an SEO description. There's different places where it would behoove you to type in a short description of what your workshop's about and the product details of wherever you're hosting your sales page. And so I had that little 1-line summary here. I also went ahead and pre-wrote the copy. This was for people who bought the workshop, filled out the survey after they purchased, and asked for a bit more help. I wanted to have a template, so to speak, that I could send them without having to rewrite it every time for the 30 people that requested some more help. That's what this is here. So just a little bit of copy. Yeah, I could have put it somewhere else, but I didn't think I'd be showing it to a bunch of strangers on YouTube. So this is how I've set this up. I've also got my sales page copy, my order bump copy, my confirmation emails, my workshop outline, and I wanted to make a great workbook for this workshop. And so was capturing some of those ideas here, like what would be in a really great sales page checklist, for example. Then I can say in the workshop, you're going to learn this and do that and get the system for this and get this cool outcome. And you're also going to get my sales page checklist, the step-by-step checklist I run through before my sales page goes live. You're also going to get my workshop wizardry checklist. Just every time you host a paid workshop, you're also going to get this. And then this is this is for them. These are more resources for the workbook that I was just brainstorming with ChatGPT. Like, let's make this more valuable, not just a workshop, but bonuses, takeaways, cheat sheets, checklists, downloads, templates, things like that. So now you know one of my most prized pieces of my laid back, lean, solopreneur, 1-person online business. It's a home-based Google document with some tabs. If you found this video useful and you'd like to get your own copy of my home-based document, then make sure you click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn how to automatically grow your email list, so every time you do a promotion just like this, it goes to more people than last time, then click the button that just popped up on the screen to watch a video of my full free course on how to automate your list building so it grows with no effort. And I'll see you there.